Welcome back, everyone. I hope you're doing great today. In this video, we're going to learn how to reset image sets to their default settings in the Sketchbook app. Whether you're facing issues with your brushes or simply want a fresh start, first, open the Sketchbook app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then, from the menu that appears, scroll down and tap on Preferences. Then, scroll down until you find the option called Reset Image Sets. This option allows you to return all image sets to their original default state, just like when you first installed the app. Finally, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. To complete the process, tap OK. Your image sets will now be restored to default, and you can start fresh with clean and organized settings. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.